Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Cloudflare error 520 web server error. If your website is showing a Cloudflare 520 error, this usually means Cloudflare is able to reach your server, but the server is returning an unexpected or empty response. In this walkthrough, we'll go through a few settings inside Cloudflare that can help isolate the issue and clear out anything that may be interfering. To begin, open the Cloudflare dashboard and sign into your account. Once you're inside, select the domain where you're experiencing the error. This takes you into the management area for that specific website. From there, click on DNS and then open records. This is where your domain's DNS entries are listed. Find the record connected to your website and click Edit. In the record settings, turn off proxy status, then click Save. Disabling the proxy temporarily routes traffic directly to your origin server instead of passing it through Cloudflare. This is a useful troubleshooting step because it helps confirm whether the issue is coming from Cloudflare's proxy layer or from the server itself. After saving that change, move to the Security section, then click Settings. Scroll down until you find Bot Fight Mode. If it's enabled, click it to turn it off. In some cases, aggressive bot protection can interfere with legitimate traffic or create conflicts while the server is already having trouble responding. Turning it off temporarily can help reduce one possible cause of the 520 error. Next, go to the caching section and open Configuration. Here, click Purge Everything. This clears Cloudflare's cached content, forcing it to request fresh files from your server. If stale or corrupted cached data is contributing to the problem, this step can help refresh the connection and remove outdated responses. As you complete these changes, it's a good idea to test your website after each major adjustment, especially after disabling the proxy and after purging the cache. That makes it easier to identify which change had the biggest effect. Also remember that some updates in Cloudflare can take a short moment to apply, so if the site doesn't respond immediately, wait briefly and test again. Once you've gone through these settings, check whether the website loads normally. If the error disappears after turning off the proxy, that often suggests the origin server itself needs further review. But for many cases, these Cloudflare site adjustments are a solid first step in resolving error 520. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helps you get your website back online.